going. Carry up on Yankupon Shranonyo Kashia, the gospel must go and the gospel is still going. And now a Sunday, because thank God it's Sunday. We the gospel must go militant. You bet me, aye. This is what the gospel must go militant. You bet me, aye. Why Johnny Abomodi answer over share? Aha, aye, the gospel must go. The gospel must go. The gone bitter for Christ. And next Sunday, they be a metaka say. And now walk on them equate the bone some yanu. Mammy Papa, ahundidie, you see, cleanness is next to holiness. Yes, so cleanness is next to holiness. And you can see the gospel must go militant. Omania very rough, and now Kwasi and Yabre are more Juma. The ladies are coming. Yes, you cronum say bear a do and numera. Wawabi and answer Abuabia in free room. I call rural areas now. This is sometimes what you do. The gospel is still going. The gospel is still going. And it is the whole community. So I shall see her Say Mizumi Kakra at the mama. Now I shall see her. You can see them coming. Emano, Mema, the whole community as a whole. This is what we can do. We don't just give the gospel. Listen, we don't just give the gospel. Debi Ametaka said, I will never catch fish for people. I'd rather teach people how to catch the fish. Me pacho away Sunday first service. Me pacho wa Jonia, Bomadi aso beshe. We a Sunday first service. Chene ye pau. Sunday first service. Wa Jonia ubetimi ashe. These are the gospel must go militant. This is what we can do. Yani sika nanso nimdia ni nyansa no ene de boa oman no. The gospel must go militant. What Johnny has said, everyone. Ghana, Africa, abo around there. Say, you're sorry in temper. I'm say, Africa about 6:33. About 5 near sorry. Emmanuel prapra. Ne memanu so ye bokwano say be ya najuno. Has a light. The gospel must go militant. It is a yaha ene anopeya me pacho share. Yamfa adwuma no kwa na beba na emom yesade asempa tre no ebebrem wa johnny a share we are in a little village called Kwachikrom. Aha Kwachikrom. This is where Joseph appear. The boy who is undergoing the surgery lives. This is what we can do to help the community. We don't just spread the gospel, we motivate, we join, we teach, we rebuke. Yeah, the gospel must go militant. Yania brepa yes krom wa johnny obetimi a share. Let me give this advice to my colleagues, pastors out there. Chenye, Yesu Kristo okono. Waka asem bi kire. Na asem no kan ya mama papa ye ya afi. Wase yenko wiasa fa na nyina nkeka sempa ni cha abode nyina. Di obagie die no, yemo na su. Na yen kire ne se oni de wa hye nyina so. Ene yen kire. Wo ye bibi se nipa no be se da bi se ahudie eya de bi ehia. Woko kasema chiro bi na nipa ne yare a ebede na nipa na ere atimi atie. Apart from preaching the gospel, we need to also motivate them to work. Yan chance Zoom lion. Yan chance village as Zoom lion away. Yan chance aban na mepra. Yania, these are the gospel must go militant. Ade be lanchi no. Mubehu ne life. Samosha, these are the gospel must go militant. Emma, enkola, emofra. Yeah, this is what we can do. This is the gospel must go militant. These are the gospel must go militant. What Johnny Abetimi I share. You can see how the ladies are busy sweeping. These are the gospel must go militant. Asampa trenenko. Yeah, this is what we can do. We educate them, not just them reading. You can see the joy, You can see the joy they have in what you call doing the work. Which new Nigeria or mode ejumano. You can see the joy. Yes, and you can see the gospel must go motto. Yeah. This is my tricycle. Me moto no abe village and no any day sister Imrano. You can see those that's in the village. That is what we are using to carry the rubbish. Yeah. Bra no say mu nyina mo hwe no ma mo America ma mo Italy ma mo Belgium o say na ni je say abochefo nyina ebe ho no na ni agye kra se na adwuma na wo yam because mo ho no these are the gospel must go militant. This is what we can do to motivate them. You can see them busily working. This is what we can do Yes, sir. We shouldn't just go there to preach. We should teach them all these things. It's not that ebia omuntimi by ye nebe yo musu ade bia bo se kronu mate yarea basabasa ya ne na sefo nyina no entimi ma krono. You can see how the ladies are busily out working. They're taking out dust from the gutters. Where any ideas yetimi ebo hu dawuro enya sachira wadwen yes o sachira na adwen o tifi ma yare ebekuno saboni ankuna yare ere ebekuno. It is sometimes we need to motivate people. These are the gospel must go militants. The gospel must go. Yeah, the gospel must go militant. Yeah. Anope wa Johnny abetimi ahya mame. Wa Johnny abetimi ahye ede amame. Yegusua ye adwuma no. Yegusua ye adwuma no. Omo pra. These are the gospel must go militants. These are the gospel must go militants. We are in the village. This is where the boy who is undergoing the operation lives. Appear Stephen. This is where he lives. You can see the old ladies and the old women and the big members in the village. These are the big members. Yeah, these are the big members in the village. You can see how they are busily working.
Yes,
they are working. This is working. Yeah, do me well. Yeah. Oh, where can happiness? Where can happiness? Yeah. Yeah, they go see you. Yeah. Yeah. They go see you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how you
go see me for this. Down.
Yeah. They go see you. You be big mama.
Woman.
Yeah.
From
Yeah.
To Ghana.
Yeah.
To do work.
Yeah, to do work. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I finished.
You be big mama.
Yes. You
be big mama. These are some of the things that we can do to just encourage them to clean their communities. We just give them the joy. You can see the joy that they have in doing the work. You can see the joy that they've gathered, the joy, the momentum. Everybody in the village has involved him or herself because of the work that we give to them. This is what we call the typical love. This is what we call the typical love. We just don't just go out to preach, but we preach to practice what we preach. Yeah, this is what we can do. People marvel, how is this guy able to command a community like this? A community that you are not from. How are you able to command it? It's by His grace. When the Holy Spirit is at work, nothing is impossible. When the Holy Spirit is at work, nothing on this earth is impossible. Look at the joy. Look at the joy. Look at the joy they have in all the doing the work. You can see the joy. Everybody is involved, both the old and the young. Please, my brothers and sisters, I'm just doing this video to encourage my police pastors that when you go out there, you shouldn't just go and preach. You can see everybody is seriously working. You can see the boys are weeding, the girls are also sweeping, just to maintain the town. Because when I came, I said no, the surrounding is very poor. Every day and then, people, snakes are biting people, scorpions are biting people. In the evening, you can see snakes, scorpions. Right now, Ghana has insured to say, "Mama, Papa, who wants our 1 year and young children, or move pianiade." And Tia, we know a babua. After that, to and your winko, you make sure say street bobs. Yeah, the Bible boy. These are the gospel must go. This is the little we can do, and we know it's worth more than gold. Listen and listen good. What we are doing, I know it was more than good. I'm just doing this video to encourage my brothers evangelists out there. This is Apia Stevens' father. Most of those of you want to see Apia Stevens, the small boy who is undergoing the operation. This is his father. This is Apia Stevens' father in action. You can see how he's weeding. Yeah, so I will never regret helping this family. You can see how he's involved in the communal labor. He's part of the gospel must go militant. Those of you want to see Apia Stevens' father, this is Apia Stevens, the small child who is undergoing the operation. This is his father. This is his father, Apia Stevens' father in action. Yeah, you can see the gospel must go militant. They are busy clearing the bush. We are in the street of Kochikrum. We are in the street of Kochikrum. We are having a communal labor. I'm just doing this to motivate our brothers and sisters out there. You can see how they are working. You can see how the youth are busily working. Everybody is involved. Everybody. One of the surprising stories I will give is the committees, the elders, and others in the town wonder, how is this boy able to motivate these people? Because they will even cause the whole town is going to work and nobody will be involved. By just a single announcement, everybody came out. So this Sunday has been a Sunday to remember in this village. People are wondering. You can see where the public toilet is. The place is very bushy. Imagine in the night someone is coming to private. What will happen? But right now, with the help of the Gospel Must Go militants and the Holy Spirit, you can see the joy the boys are having in weeding this area in order to clear everything, so that this ruminant, these snakes, scorpion and others, they will not be able to come here. The Gospel must go, and the Gospel is still going. What a joy! What a joy! This motivates me. Say yes, the message you are preaching, you are not preaching in vain. The gospel is still going. Me patrol Johnny, who bet me a share, and I course here we are first service. We are first service. Why Johnny, who bet me a share at the amame. So I Johnny, who bet me a share the amame. Where the gospel must go, and the gospel is still going. Yeah, yes, watch out. Yes, the gospel must go militant. You can see how they are busy, and the gospel is still going. Yeah, these are the gospel must go militant. The whole village has come out to come and help me clean the village. Please, this is just encouragement. I'm doing this video just to encourage each and everyone that when we go to some of the villages and others, you shouldn't just go and preach. You should look at the condition over in the village and also help them. Look at the condition in the village. Today, the people in the village are very happy. This is not money. I never gave them money. I just gave them a word, and they all came to in agreement. Let us help in building our village. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. And the gospel is still going. You can see the militants busily and seriously working. There are plenty. We are more than 300 in numbers. Some of them are in front here. The boys are here. Some of them are here. Let me share. What Johnny I share, mommy? What Johnny I me pacho? What Johnny I bet me I share at the amami? We the gospel must go militant. The gospel must go militant. What Johnny I bet me I share at the amami? You can see how the boys are busily working. Oh wow, many are Janopay. Many are Janopay, papa. Many are Janopay, papa. What Johnny I bet me I share? Yeah, there are some brother after the work. Mumu. Mumu. But we over TV so ahofo. Ahofo pa. Over TV so ahofo. Etu dey do why? The gospel must go, and the gospel is still going. You can see how the boys are busily working. Yes. The gospel must go. His name is Abi. Those of you who attend through Salvation, what do you call it? What is the name of the church? Sorry, Savior Church. He's a member of the Savior Church. Openi Abraham Eduse, that is the guy who is speaking. We've just combined all churches. We have Methodist, we have Roman, we have SDA, we have GD Koko, GD Fita. This CSC, we have Roman, we have CSC, we have SDA. We are all together that we are working. Yeah, these are some of the gospel must go militants. Yes. He's called Gabriel. Yes. He's called Gabriel. Yes. He's a driver, but he's in the village. He has no car. In case you have a car that you want someone to drive. This my brother is a driver, but you know in the village who is going to buy the car for him? Who is going to buy the car for him? So I'm just urging my my viewers that in case you have a car, either or Hyundai Grace, Fish, Sprinter. Here, if you get Sprinter, I will look after it for you. He's a best driver and he can drive for you. So in case anybody is having a car, he's having a license, everything, but he has nobody to buy him a car. That is why he's still in the village. So if you have a car over there, just call my number 0547 4000679. The gospel must go militant. The gospel must go militant. You can see them working. We have the boys, the energetic boys. They are all in the village. So these are some of the things that we can do to motivate them. Right now, after this, I'm not done. I have to get them street lights. I've started. They can all bear witness. I will let them speak after we finish with the work. They are working because I don't want to interview them. After they finish working, I will let you know what we are doing in the village. I'm trying to get them Omeka se janabia. Say omu here toilet. Mastate toilet no mutu. Street bobs no matuto bia with my little the little God has blessed me with. Kakrana Yamidia Adia Chameno street bobs, no, Matutobi, me Yakosro, I met them now Mohu street bobs, no, a Janabia, no problem. Say ye too, ye are ye best. Mia, the little the Lord will give me, will bless me with. Me I will just also bless them with it because today no Mama Meniaje papa Yamwonipa Abra Yatiasie Yamwonipa Abra Yatiasie. These are the Gospel Must Go militants. You can see the ladies. Yeah, you can see them. The men and the women. Yeah, you can see the men and the women. How they are busily working. These are the Gospel Must Go militants. Monia Obia Juma. Juma na no moye no Obia Juma. Now winning Bibi. Let me let someone come and view me. Let me let somebody come and view me. Hey, why the new camera chapa? Unless I show you. Share. Certainly say and fan sanka bibia we a life or more shanty no and fan sanka bibia so mu say na fashion the gospel must go and the gospel is still going. Trade up on your coupon shroud now on your here. This is Scotch Chrome for you. We are busily working. Yeah, just say you could, you best yes. You know, I come home and say, I will give you message. You know, message. Man is a munya mojuma, ye Akaha, remember Munya Mojuma, and my Munya. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. And a Sunday, and a Sunday, no people say a dear pay and a air coso. Me patch me person me chema di ADCB so. Me person me chema di ADCB so. People say a dear na air coso. Me patch a higher quite room. Tenete ni. Aha air quite room. People say a hin fan a quite room ewo. Me patch ansana ekufuado ebeba so no. Na yeshe be kwai ase. Na keka Asante Bekwai district na Kwachi Krom yeka ho na ba say ye tete district ni bi aka ho no e na yete ye ho edi free Bekwai enti ye ne ye be share Bosome fre ho district se le tell you pa Bosome fre ho district e pa to mumra ni se ka mama kan e fra o ya Kwachi munya obi ameno ye fra me patcho me chuma den e dey see me so aha e ya Bosome from district e ti say no ye nse the fire asibi obi so brother e can me person me back Kwachi Krom brother me sure say dem man tell me about what e ya juma na the person can be juma because to be frankly speaking my can say me job e maba wa e man tia everyone ko pro wo pro dia we they can say e juma tin pa dia with me ni omu Obuye Krobia, a Juma Yankopon Edicha, Edipa Yafuno. Omo Papa, a Yakuma. Now, me person me first out for your wishes. Now, me catch yourself an enemy. Tutu, young man, when you see come a person with this ship to your say, me patch out with your one Casabra, so America, so we're Italy, so we're German, so we're Greece. Upe kura eso dwo tieni edi kan kura eso dwo kura wo ye dwuma ubenya aboafo kura ubema ahemfo committee for your friends assemblyman for ye do odobebo odoma welcome wa me pacho Kwachi Krom ye number 1 Yeah, asempa ten kwa na ekọ me pese me twema adwen edisi bi so. Dia me kan ama ewiasa fa na nyina ati ase nie. Bibie no wa wasase so a wode wusu so obetimi aya ontimi nye. Ya maami ni ya papa mu nyina o maboa se o mbedi machi ensuo mo awie mo ekon mo emi mo awewo mo anigye mo sesunyane setakwari sekepos o mbedi machi ne dia asempa ten na ko. What a joy. It's a community as a whole. It's a community as a whole. Baby, Ametaka said there's power in the way. Yes, Christo can say John chapter 6, the verse 63. The word is what? Power and spirit. It's life and spirit. So who a dog way in Armenia? I'm saying most people, among for Taka, brother Muajuma, brother Muajuma, brother Muajuma, me part of so Juma. What are you framing? Young for God fearing people. One man named Suro, a woman. Almost saying, I mean, I'm saying, and we are saying, I want him some a Juma. The patch of Shemai, with a platform of Shemai, Shemani, and Juma, one, Castle, where you're going to me. So, Bana Catesia, Pa, Cotua, over Cassia, Catesia. The Castle Jumania, or with you, a Juma. Mesra say enam say you koko ne yi nti no momye nwi adwuma ne sesi e na afa ye didie no ana ye agi koko no na ye ye wenya nti mesra mo mani aya mo pra de enko mumye nwi ansa ye nwie ahaya na edisi ahaya Roman for any more ya na edisi ahaya ni anko okusie de wabem pa okusie what is your name?
My name is Isaiah.
Isaiah, yeah, this is Isaiah. Your guy name is Okusie. Yeah, this is Okusie for you. Okusie you'll be a ba Juma dia wintimi nyini mfrim. Wa ya di ye papa. Say your friend is say poultry farm, say your cocoa farm. Juma bia no ofro Okusie so betimi ayama. What is your name?
My name is Okusie.
Okusie. Mama say ma Okusie. Work and happiness. This is what I call work and happiness. Work and happiness. Which means emrantia na ba nyina obia ayakomapa. Where your dog because I will not give them anything. But you can see, look at the number of people. You can see the number of people in the street. The whole community. The whole Adentra you can see the community. The whole community. What a joy. If you want Obia basa obeboa na yesiesie community no twede ampa Nyankopon hira na onye okahye mamemfa me number yi ento ho mamemfa me number yi ento ho right now me woni pa be de ho a or they are into farming oba so a oma beboa oma kasa ebeboa adwuma bi apeso ye me se factory adwuma se se amenemo kasa ye hia your friends a garri processing machine muncheni ye pa garri process ha omudua banche ye person ke etimi bie sa garri processing machine a kura wa ha nyina do mo banche beba me pa cho mo amo hwe me free German mo amo hwe me free Italy mo amo hwe me free Switzerland Canada US me pa cho say we are interested a mesro wo ba so land there woni problem wo benya land ni bi ye person ye bie garri processing machine garri processing factory. Me pacho ejuma no ho the cassava is there, the raw material is there, the land is there, aka the capital. So whoever is interested, bra, you get the workers, ye de akomapa eno odo ebedu achi. Ye po obi obetimi abebie the garri factory, garri processing factory. Ye be package no, ye de be ko US, ye de be ko wiasa fa na nyina. The people, the land, the raw materials a buaha. Aka machine no. This is an opportunity for investors. Opportunity. I have so light wa ha. Last time no be busa say brother na kwachi kromo no. Typical village and me pacho light wa ha. Quota so e wa ha. You can see so mujina quota no so. Omujina quota no so. Light and so wa ha. Chenete ni pa light wa ha. Quota e wa ha. Pipes in so wa ha. I'm saying what the factory and our business be called baby. Idea we consider air light and land no light and a quota and only idea I consider. Now so nyamia daruma krodia light wa ha. Nyamia daruma you can see if I'm lying you can see yourself. Ya kwanye. You can see yourself. Your baby wa o koye investment ah. Eya wunya light just so you plant and so had the light wa ha. Eti idea ba ko am recommend ya me listeners. Me followers, who person university and me purchase say no, the worker nyamedia tuma kuma so. I will be person what ya me buana manaye. Gare processing. Gare processing. Yeah, package said you won't need fufu any adeno. Gare processing because there are many villages around here. Aha kasano eba cassava. Your friend say banchia. You two banche pa. It's raw material in your problem. Me pacho obi someone is asking for my number. My number is 0547 400 679 0547 400 679. That is my number. 05. Let me tag you with the number. Let me tag you. People are requesting for my number 0547 400 679. So what Johnny and me pacho? This is my number. This is my number. My number. People are requesting for my number. This is my number. 0547 400 679. Me pacho, this is my number. My number no ena me de ato ehono. Echi ofre me a. This is the village. This is the village. Me pacho samo wi a moma ye nyina yan gada wa ha na yemfa ya no di 7 tudwa na yenkodi ekoko no. Me pacho mrantie maba wa obi amra. Obi amra. You beko. Momra ni yenwie we na yenko. Me pacho obi amra me pese omu the number of people. Enipa dodo no. Meka am. Obi amra. Mesra so obi amra na. Kwabra. Bra. Pack no ha. Pack ne bra. Pack moto. Hey. Kwabra bra kwa hu se ha. Pack ni. Pack we ni. Aha. Bedi na chi ne bra. Me pa cho. Me pe. Your friend is say enipa mienu yi omu nsi na mon kan nipa dodo no. Okay, ma men kan mu gira ho a metimi akan. Okay, Kizo. Kizo yeah. Kan mo mame. Ya na dia tun so mo we ya so no. Okay, ma men kan. Okay, obi anya be mesra obi anya be odina. Em se bi mo ya adwuma omo de omo nya na. Ma mo nya mo mra mo. Asampa trenenko. Me pacho muntie na mo hwe me asem bi besi. On say ye kan ye ne yankase yakasa na won ma no denden. Sama ho ma denden. Asampa trenenko. Mantio asampa trenenko. The gospel must go. Where the menu? Now the castle went to me and can wait the menu. Asampa trenenko. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. You don't bad enough say no. Mode akumapa. Hello. Because mom wa high. Me nya sure say be do 1,000. ba ma mo phone mo ko Facebook no obehwe ne nipa 40,000 na ehwe sisi 40,000 enu anyumre obenye nipa 100,000 oh mo hwe eti say ye de wa de hwe obi ase ne bre a wo hwe na bia de na asem aye ka no ene asa ya pani bia ne amon Everybody show obi biara say na den so magye bre na we am ye ni nyina ne mu hu so mfa so menim say acha busumi nyino achi no mo beti ge enti a video ni ere me ye no ase se me nko ama hoden se mitimi eye janabia tieri o me ma hoden o ebi ensira nya me di esira me no mitimi ye janabia mitimi to street light tineteni o na busa se ne fashion tim se me nko ofo na me namfofo be se 10 ka me ho adie ne besie very good enu ti na me ye wi me ye sa video yi me nyo obi a na se ka me start say me to street box no ke no ase me de camera dey akojina na nka me kire me ye street light omo bottle na nka makojina me di misika dey bottle amawi na me ye we na me ya show mo nkran what I say me pese me catch me nuanom asofofo bia wo kra da wo asoro mi ni asafo me nti asore me dia ne se me ba ha me pa chedi adwuma na me na ha yenyi nyame asem nto ncha edi adwuma na me na ha edi adwuma na me na ha oh eti adon de day no eno no kakra me se beka mo obi sa de bia enye kua no nko a wo me wo ofuo banku hello the gospel must go emisa muti asem yo musu gomele me pa cho ka se gomele a eyeduane mutie nie ya ka se gomele eyeduane ede aduane me pa cho se na aduane tie emu a ata me pa cho sa mu we wo de China for de ne ya enyi ebibifo mu a wanoa na nsuo koma ata na abenkwan me pa cho nya abenkwan keke abenkwa api na odi bi sa wo no na nsesa wo gu ase na mommo ne kaka Kedia for Nyankopon Shira obi biara mesramo se wo hwe ye ma mi mu a omo wa ha ne ye brother se omo ha. These are the people omo do omo sure say they will help push the gospel. Say no mi mu ayodu. And we are not forming a church. Enya safoniete. Me bawa anase me akosi ewua. Bebrene nim se from akosi ewua. Bebrene nim se from akosi ewua. Me Sunday bon afewua. Etu be efia kasa misano edin e de from akosi ewua. Eti me brofo din Martin Luther afewua. Eti me twi din no eye akosi ewua. Me akosi ewua me gidi se Yesu wo na chi no. Nyame onte edan nipa din nsasi. Ena mesa wo gidie bi se Christosum eyabrabo. Christosum eyabrabo. Eti Philippians chapter 1 the verse 27 no. Wasimu mama brabo no emfata de Christo de asempa no. Enya ye kos asonde mokobo yensem beto collection me bedi adanse eno nyame som. Na emom wa pie firi ho no. Wonu wunu ayonkofa. Wonu obusia ayonkofa. Wonu adanfo ayonkofa. Suba wo de to bro no so. Eno ne pese yi imparte. Edikanfo na dada ya che. Eti Jeremiah chapter 6 verse 16 wasi se bre no do ye hwehwe ye musa tete atempon no na se hwehwe ne yebusa ye nkofa so ye benya ahome ama ye kra me pesa me di ade bi se ni petrim se e bia mransam ne untimi no so na emom so wunya odo wadi mransam so nyina na a community like this e kwa be so mefa so a metimi nyame suro ana se nyame ase ewuram metimi agise me di enkabom beba agise ye kire odo tenete nie pa ye kire odo na ye mami ya ye papa ma mu ha yi enche ye be launch the gospel must go militant no ye print a t-shirt bo so mu nyina she t-shirt this time say me call out for evangelism you will see all these people with me we mu nyina be ka me ho ena me no omo ye den eko omo do omo asuo say there be Mark 8:36 obi nya wi asa japade nyina na so hwe ne kra emfaso be na empo omo timi asa kire omo adwen no omo timi so bu obi mo hu Kristo na se sika mpo mo anya bi no mu wu a omu nim se o ma hyehyɛ ma japade ere e wo soro enu ti na omu do odo abo odom abeka me ho se adwuma bi a meya bia no omu so do mu ere e be hyem me nso me dia metima ya mo omu yie omu mu gyan nyina obi a wo yere obi a wo ma obi a wo kunu wontimi kasa me kwa bonche kaka nyame asem abre efiere enye eti ye de asi enu so se ade efre ni kua eno ne ye de beye ya ne ya nko suku bi na ade buku sem abeto yanim ye de ya nyansa ahoɔden nimdie anyam dia man asase we aha wudua body ebeye asase we udua koko eno na nyame ede ere ache eti mesem listeners me followers nyina ade ba ko amu betimi aboa nie medium wo gidi se eni kwa se wo che fresh ne mo nipa se nipa na kwa ya fa so ede e che fresh no Saudi sika pempem bre we ma wa ha hom na ma wudi sika no akwasi moni se when you invest into them wudi sika no bo mu dwetre anasa wudi sika no be pass asibi na afe ope machine bi na afe ope noba bi ase maami sisa ya adwuma we dua kokoi dua buroi dua we bosumi bia metua wo se ya mejiri se edidi da eyesene de edidi prako yanka se fa sika bra ye hia wo sika na mum de panie ya di kaka ya kuma so de pani kuro bia we muye emma wa ne mama wa nyina obi a wo banchifuo obi du be banchiri timi bua na sa chef ma sa abro tienie banchini bua on say minim say ya start ya adwuma no ne ade anyame de atoma koma so obi biara ka wakoma say I want to help Kwachikrom village me pese Kwachikrom me bua wo mo me pa cho emo asesi ye hia pa ne say wa wo hwa anyame ama ahoɔden a wo betima be bie sa gari factory gari processing factory ye tia ye ni akɔ gari hunie gari ayade bi asaw ye nya ya 1000 years edaso ye gari sempo sensu anto bayira anyeye emu anyeye ye friends ebura anyeye a yenim se Kwachikrom de ye wo gari eden e wo ho etimesre pa se land ne de oba woni problem ye benya land ni biere e de amaw wo de se mo fa machines no mo fa mo engineers no mo fa mo manager no mo directors no mra laborers ye wo ho land ye wo ho materials the gospel must go. Se baby aduro no MC so no anu ayeden ene ye be ye adwuma nso ye nidi nyame adaroma ene ya pop ya toto ye nsase ye sa wodwuma die bebira ye pese ye die MC ene nwumre anase wiem ho no the gospel must go militant me pachi ye be hia ye be di agro ebi beto dame ebi beto waware ebi beto ludu na se be ya mu be hwe life no ye fa twedua we twedua no edua we ase ene ye beba ye be man life say be ya o America o Italy o German o Japan o benye edua we ase ne ba be di agro no omo be win no first second third ye be che o ma de ye we nyina just to say be ya ade bi bia no omo sudo mu be shep ba say ye wie communal labor no ye kope koko bi adi ya ka koko a obi bia oba ha bia no ebenya bi koko ni kose me de me so ko bedo na sunya twede aponya kupon shira no onye okase the gospel must go and the gospel is still going fashion team say Jesus Christ oba say see e no ma ye nyina se ahire nka afaso be wo sika ha mami ka se mi cha de fo na mo hwe me no million burgers amu Italy mamu German mamu US when I see wo sika se de ye ka odefo a the number of people you can put smile on their face me say metima ka se me odefo enye sika dem accounts mu na momo eni padodo a metimi de se de ere ase omofu eno eche se uyo sikani everybody shrow na on shamin so I joined the gospel preaching chariot. I avail myself to teach and to be taught. Salvation of souls is my focus, so help me God. Amen. The gospel must go. Mepa ose jese ni ediane mepa yomuche ediane mepa hello mepa to muche ediane asese ewo no mpe kokwa proposi mpe kosa pa mo kosa wodi wunya ba kokwa to iwe nya ediane e ko dia mi dia enti mesemo epani fon atala Achara your friend say Makizo me ba me fo no me pacho ye nche mu mienu ebi be ko asida to no bi so ko Makizo me pacho mu nche mu emra kwa ye so ne ba ne ko mu nche mu me pacho mu nche mu Koko na go tiako eti obi a kwaji ni dia mama o ma tete Benya bi ya tie ho ase a obi benya bi
na gomele de me kan na
me say ya kokoko man ka gomele okay me man momra mo say momra me pacho me man momra na me pacho me man momra ya won ko free wo ha sebe me ba village ano me hu say mranche bebre ebi kra do ambulances ebi kra do ambulances e be kire me ni ade mranche ni bebre na won sanodjuma bebre na won sanodjuma bebre na e won sanodjuma na so mu nyina wo village because okokro ma sebe ne maame antimi ansi dan bi okrom ne papa bi anti sebe okokro ma ida se okwakoda obi nchen ana okwakosua kro no ene obetra ne kura se sebe otimi do ba nchi bi no onya wan siri bi a nani ebeje ho mesra ebi anyame ato nsem obie factory bi Opel drivers me pacho tie Opel drivers and yet just a driver, a qualified driver with the lances me pacho okay no be busa obi number which guy's number no be busa minim em say obi busa so obi number me pacho okay ma mu busa bi mu number no o de frame in the video no what status a branch here with me pen number because Osika say I want the guy's number me who guy cro me who guy cronty or munie o de me number ni 0547 400679 0547 400679 eti mesramo ana okusia
me number is
bobo
0553 65 9409
to bona ke kan ye 0553 65 9409 because now ma obi busa say I want the guy's number I want minim guy kro by minim say at the end of the day me wi a on be frame eti ye mranti a omo nsuso ye mu e wa adwuma no ye se ye kwa omu nyina di machi aye de asempatra ne eko he de bia metaka say obeboa wo mu onyame be nyame Chenecheni, we are not forcing any listeners to help. Some babu, some mu nyame bekoso ere aye nyame. These are the gospel must go militants. Now the American say, what the if I interested in farming, oba boysy hey ombabua adwuma bia say ya do say adwuma bia what the toka omubetwi adwuma bia o person omuye bia no ombeye e de amount. Asampatra nenko em say your footballers omo munim ball bopa enso ewo minti no yesra say bia wo academy bi either Ghana here or outside. Okay, obi so up me WhatsApp number no me pacho mami pini me WhatsApp number no 0547 400 679. This is my WhatsApp number. Mami pini me WhatsApp number and I want to pin this number. Me WhatsApp number no let me pin it. Mami pini yeah. Me pacho me WhatsApp number na me pini edida ho no. Mamu hear me number no ebreko eso mukodidi. We have a lot of things to do. And then so kosie ebi mo so ebeko share them akosom ni ade. Enti these are the people your footballers home, your drivers for home, your mason for home, your carpenter for home. Juma no they just call me. Me braba kwa wo US. Me pacho asim fosu. So ono so person ye the same farming na yi. Man ye be employment ni ade. Me pacho asim fosu. Me bra wo US. Me pesa me ka odi nipa no do so ntino. Me hwe say before ending 15th of this month. Me dem rant ene beba ye bedo asase so blocks no man betwa bibia me electrician for me wo mason for me wo carpenter for ye bra wo she groovesy wo carpenter papa do she groovesy say blue no wo ye mason ni papa wo carpenter ni papa electrician ya papa bi aso okay, mami from we say yes, I make me cause. Trading upon Yanku position on your cashier. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. But didn't catch them say, young when you pay bra what you say. Say Yanku Pomba on can't you say, I for your born as on them. Obabusa say, and you padu ultimately say there, a show moon. Okay, come back to chapter 25, the verse 34. Was it a come dem one mammy, so come dem one mammy, me dadja. And here, Babu Castle, me preacher, I want to collection. Okay, so I'm for you. A riding shroud, no your cashier. Asam patranunko. 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 The gospel must go. The gospel must go. Asam patranunko. Na mi shra obi biara.